Hi, I am Jithin Ravindran. I am the National Sales Head for Fagor Automation India and Middle East. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. We Fagor Automation, we manufacture CNC control systems and feedback system for machine tool industry for last 40 years. We are a Spanish brand operating in more than 70 countries worldwide. As part of India business, we are also taking care of the business in Middle East. And we are seeing enormous growth in the machine tool industry and the component business in Middle East in the last 10 years. OP Automation being one of the reputed system integrator firm in Middle East, we have been collaborating for upgradation of machines in the Middle East business. And we are mainly concentrating with the larger machines and heavy duty lathes. And we are also giving product support in terms of feedback systems, replacement of linear scales in the machines, especially with the larger machines.